Friends, in this video, I am going to discuss the topic fostering creativity and innovation in education. I would quote Albert Einstein, "Creativity is seeing what others see and thinking what no one else ever thought." I would also quote Theodore Levitt. He says, "Creativity is thinking up new things. Innovation is doing new things." A simple example of innovation you can see here. In one figure, he uses the umbrella to protect from the rain. In the other figure, he uses the other design of the umbrella to protect from rain and also to collect the rainwater. Now, I would quote Picasso. "Every child is an artist. The problem is to remain an artist once they grow up." Creativity is the ability to form novel and valuable ideas or works using one's imagination. Products of creativity may be intangible or a physical object. Creativity may also describe the ability to find new solutions to problems or new methods to accomplish a goal. From Wikipedia. This is the cycle of creativity. It starts with brainstorming and ideation process, then develop solutions, then create products, then evaluate the outcomes. The three components of creativity: expertise, knowledge, technical, procedural, and intellectual. Then creative thinking skills, degree of flexibility and imagination. Then motivation, intrinsic, influenced by work environments. Extrinsic, by tangible rewards. All these three components are included in creativity. Then outcome of creativity: something new, idea or product or service, new, innovative, original, and unique. Let us sum up the characteristics of creativity. Generation of new ideas, originality, imagination, flexibility, high degree of motivation and determination, a sense of intense curiosity and inquiry, openness and courage to explore new ideas, learning continuously and asking pertinent questions, positive attitude, expertise in one's own field. Is creativity a characteristic trait? Yes. Creativity is often considered a characteristic trait, although it can also be developed and honed through practice and learning. It is not just a talent possessed by select few, but rather a skill that can be cultivated by anyone. Creative individuals often possess traits like open-mindedness, curiosity, and a willingness to challenge the status quo. Difference between creativity and innovation. Creativity involves generating new ideas, concepts, or approaches, while innovation is the process of putting those ideas into practice to create something valuable. In essence, creativity is the idea phase and innovation is the action phase, turning ideas into tangible solutions. Strategies for fostering creativity and innovation. Number 1, encourage experimentation and risk-taking. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity and create an environment where taking calculated risks is not only allowed but encouraged. Then promote curiosity and learning. Encourage continuous learning and exploration, staying updated on industry trends and emerging technologies. foster collaboration, encourage cross-functional collaboration where individuals with diverse backgrounds and perspectives can share ideas and work together to solve problems. Then creating a stimulating environment, design physical or virtual spaces that encourage creativity, such as using vibrant colors, inspirational posters, and engaging activities. Then employ creative techniques, employ brainstorming, mind mapping, role playing, and other techniques to generate new ideas and perspectives. Then provide resources and support, equip individuals with the necessary tools, resources, and training to support their creative endeavors. Celebrate success and recognize efforts. Acknowledge and reward both successful innovations and the efforts of individuals who are actively exploring new possibilities. Encourage open communication and feedback. Create a culture where individuals feel comfortable sharing ideas and feedback, and where diverse viewpoints are valued and explored. Then focus on ethical practices. Establish ethical guidelines that promote responsible innovation and ensure that ethical concerns are addressed. Benefits of innovation clubs. These encourage creativity and innovation. Innovation clubs provide a structured environment for students to generate new ideas and think outside the box. These clubs provide a platform for students to brainstorm ideas, develop projects, and explore solutions to real-world problems. Atal Tinkering Labs. An Atal Tinkering Lab, ATL, is a hands-on innovation and experimentation space within Indian schools, part of the Atal Innovation Mission. These labs aim to foster creativity, problem solving, and a culture of innovation among students, especially in STEM fields, that is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. They provide a platform for students to work with various tools and equipment like 3D printers, electronics kits, and robotics components to bring their ideas to life. Financial support. ATLs are funded by the Atal Innovation Mission, which provides grant in aid for both establishment and operational costs. The Atal Innovation Mission, which sets up the labs, has been allocated Rs 400 crores for the financial year 2025-26. The Atal Tinkering Lab scheme provides a financial grant of Rs 20 lakhs per school for a period of 5 years. This grant is divided into a one-time establishment cost of Rs 10 lakhs and operational expenses of Rs 10 lakhs. The operational expenses are released annually at Rs 2 lakhs per year for the next 5 years. Innovation and incubation centers in colleges and universities. Innovation and incubation centers in Indian colleges and universities play a crucial role in fostering entrepreneurship and technological advancement. These centers provide a platform for students and faculty to develop and commercialize innovative ideas, often supported by government initiatives like the Atal Innovation Mission again. They offer resources like funding, mentorship, and business development support, helping to bridge the gap between research and commercialization. Technology Business Incubator Scheme of Department of Science and Technology. This scheme, especially in NIT, TBI, that is National Initiative for Developing and Harnessing Innovations, Technology Business Incubator, and ITBI, is a program of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, which is aimed at promoting innovation and entrepreneurship. It supports the creation of technology-based startups by providing resources, infrastructure, and mentorship, thus for budding entrepreneurs and innovators. Other government initiatives. Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. This scheme provides seed funding to innovative startups, including those emerging from university incubation centers. Examples: IIT Madras Research Park, India's first university-based research park, aspires to build a knowledge and innovation ecosystem where industry leaders and scholars can collaborate with the state-of-art technology to integrate and apply advancements in knowledge to real-time products or services. Through the fostering of partnerships and assisting new ventures, IIT MRP strives to transform and exceed global research and development industry standards. Another example, Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship, IIIT Hyderabad, was set up in 2008. CIE IIITH was supported by DST Technology Business Incubator and the Technology Incubation Development of Entrepreneurship program of the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology in the initial years. Since 2015, the 40,000 square feet incubator can host 120 plus startups. This is the uniqueness of the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship at IIIT Hyderabad. Conclusion: fostering creativity and innovation must happen at all levels of education, right from school education. The schools, colleges, and universities need to establish innovation clubs or innovation centers to foster creativity and innovation among students and faculty. Innovation, incubation, and entrepreneurship must drive all the technological institutions and research laboratories towards the culture of encouraging many more startups and transfer of technologies in the country. Thank you very much.